Hey everybody, in today's video we are going to look at how you can install the Node.js on your macOS. Node.js is a tool that lets you run JavaScript, which means you can build apps, websites, servers, etc. So you also get npm, which is package manager, that lets you install libraries and tools. And to install this Node.js, you just want to go to your browser, simply search for Node.js. You want to open the official website, then click on Get Node.js. And here are two options how you can install this. So the easiest one is by installing the installer package file. So you can see it over here. So we are just going to simply select macOS as an operating system. And then you want to select this architecture. So if you have macOS silicon chip, which is M1, M2, M3, and all of the Mac chips, you want to go with ARM64. And if you are using maybe the older version, like which have Intel processor, you want to go with this 64. All right, so I have macOS silicon chip, so I can go with this one. And I will simply click on macOS installer, this package, and it's going to install this node package file. And there is also another way. So if you have, for example, Brew or Docker, you can simply select Brew and you can select the version. So LTS is the recommended version for the most people, but you can also download the current, which has like the newest feature. So you will select basically your version over here, and then you want to paste those commands to your terminal. So if you already have Homebrew, you don't need to do this first one. You are just going to do brew installed node 24. So you can copy this command, you can open terminal, and you can simply paste it in. All right, and this is going to install node.js, but you need to have brew. But if you want the easiest way, you can simply click on this install package file, and after this is installed, double click on it. Simply you want to continue, you want to agree to those terms, install, and this is going to also install node.js on your computer. Now we can close this. You can move the installer to trash. And now we can go back to terminal and we can run those two commands to check if the node is installed and everything is working. So I can type node space -v, which is like version. And if you get number, it means node is installed. We can also check the npm package. So it's same npm -v. And if you get number like this, it means it's working, everything is installed, and you can start building your apps, websites, or whatever you want. And that's all for this video. So if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing for more tutorials like this one.